Howdy folks, welcome to the 3D Sapiens Road Show. Alright, I'm still doing some rappelling, but today, right now, this segment is going to be some applied math. So, while I'm giving a little intro, I'll describe where I'm at if you haven't seen any of the rappelling video. This is Split Rock Creek coming into Eastman Lake. You can see the high water mark there with the driftwood. Speaking of levels, where I'm at the moment is actually an old bridge that used to go across. And I'm going to do some rappelling here as an example of applied math. But some more applied math, this thing right here below me, which I got to be real careful, is actually a water level. There's feet marked on it and whatever. And I'll show you that when we come back up, because what I'm going to do here is talk as I am rappelling down this old bridge superstructure. So, let me set the camera down for a moment while I get clipped into the saddle. Hopefully this will stay. Stay. Good camera. Stay. Alright, so 1, 2, more math is the spiral that this describes, how it loses tension so that by the time you get back here, you don't have to hold your full weight. Okay, so carabiner locked. Gloves for the friction, which is something else. You can calculate the heat and all that stuff. But the most important thing today is about being perpendicular. Because if you're not, next thing you know, your feet will slide out from under you. Sorry, I'm having to jiggle this around a little bit because I'm doing it like this. Actually, I need to do it like this now. Okay, so this is as pro as I go because I don't have a GoPro. So, anyway, here we go. Now, leaning back, a couple things. So as I've been saying with the rappelling thing, you need to lean back so that your feet don't slip out from underneath you. Now, another really fun application of perpendicular is in skydiving. See, because when you get over the drop zone, the pilot can't see down directly over the engine or whatever. So they literally have to open the door and somebody has to look out straight down. And that's called the spotter. And he's looking perpendicular because if you spot an airplane wrong, if you're not looking perpendicular and you think that over there is actually over there, then next thing you know, you get out in the wrong place. But, so you will see somebody check to the horizon, look down. Check to the horizon, look down. That's to stay perpendicular. Alright. So once you stay perpendicular, you can bounce around. Just keep your feet in front of you, just like you would walk on the ground. Because if you don't, next thing you know, they slip out from underneath you like that, and you're kissing the wall, which is not what you want to do in rappelling. So, anyway. And ta-da! So that concludes today's math lesson. If you want to know more about the rappelling, I've got about 4 or 5 segments on now that you can check out, and I hope you will. There's lots of other stuff coming too. I'm just getting started. So, thanks for tuning in. Adios. Have a good day.